Hey Canva enthusiasts, ever wondered how to create whiteboard animations for your projects? In this video, we'll explore two apps currently inside Canva, SpeedPainter and SpeedPaint. This may be different in the future if Canva makes changes concerning these apps. Anyway, please join us for a fun and informative tutorial on how to use these tools to make your own whiteboard animations inside Canva. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard animation inside Canva. My idea is to make a short video for kids about the alphabet using dog breeds as my illustrations. We'll show one popular dog breed for each of these letters: A, B, C, and D. This is my script for my simple story that I made using ChatGPT. The next thing we need to do is go back to Canva. Now, I'm in Canva, and I'm going to make some presentation drawings to use inside my video. So I'm going to choose Custom Size and type in 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is my storyboard. The first animal I will be creating will be the A. So I'll go to Elements and look for an Australian Shepherd. Go to Graphics. And instead of using these multicolored ones, I'm going to choose a black and white drawing to get the clearest image that I can. Then I'll put the letter A here and make it very big. Then I'll type this in. So here is my first image that I'll be using in my video. I'm going to keep a similar look throughout, so I'll just duplicate the page. This will make it even easier here, since we're going to be doing practically the same thing in each slide. So I'll choose this one. You could use colors if you want, but overall, I prefer the black and white line drawing images to get the best quality possible. Okay, there are my 4 images for my whiteboard video. Now, I'll go to File and Download. Choose PNG, and download all 4 pages. Now let's go back to Homepage and go to YouTube Video, then go to Apps. We're going to search for SpeedPainter, 2 words. If you see the one with the corgi dog face, you'll know that this is the correct one. Click on that. Now, we're going to upload an image. Let's choose this one. Then you can choose the duration length. I'm going to leave it at 3, and I'm going to leave the hand sketching on. Okay, let's generate it. It might take it a little while. Okay, so there's our image. We'll add it to this design and put it right here. Now you see the video. Let's play it. All right, so let's go back and do the same thing for the other pages. So there's each of our letters of the alphabet. We could come back in here and add a transition between each page to make it a little more professional. Now, let's play it and see what we have. And lastly, let's add music. I'll grab a song in my uploads, go to audio, and just add something there. Then fade it out at the end, and you can see how I did that right there. Let's play it. We could also go back and add a narration to it, since it does have a little bit of text. But for this video, since it's already been so long, I won't do that. To add a voice narration, I suggest you use 11 Labs or Murph to create your narration. So, we've made a short video demonstrating a few letters of the alphabet for kids using different dog breeds. Overall, I think it turned out okay. So, what do you think? Do you think you could make a whiteboard animation after watching this example? But before we end this video, I do want to make you aware of one other option inside Canva that you can also use to make whiteboard animations. It is called SpeedPaint. I know, the names are confusing, they're so close, right? It does basically the same thing as the other app, but let's check it out while we're here. Let's go to SpeedPaint and walk through it together. Notice, we have a few more options inside this app than we had in the other. Smoothness, frames per second, durations, and more. Let's add our file. For this example, I'm going to leave it at the settings it has here. Now here's something new that the other app did not have. This app has different hand choices. You can choose any of these. I'll choose this one. Okay? But check this out. Let me scoot down just a little bit so you can see. In order to use this app, you need to pay to subscribe to it. Remember, I use a paid Canva membership, so this app is a premium app and not included in the Pro Canva membership. So now, you know, if you want to use the different settings inside SpeedPaint, you'll need to subscribe and pay $6 a month for it, in addition to your Canva membership. So you do have a choice. But for me, whenever I need to make a whiteboard animation using Canva, I think I will just stick with SpeedPainter, which is the one that has the corgi dog face on it. For the time being, that one's included in the Canva Pro membership. I'm not sure if it's in the Canva free plan or not, but try it out for yourself and see what you can do. But now, at least at the time of this recording, there are 2 apps inside Canva that you can make whiteboard drawings with. Have fun playing with them and making lots of cool whiteboard-type animations. So, which one should you choose? If you're a Canva Pro user, SpeedPainter is included and super easy to use. And if you want those extra fancy features, SpeedPaint might be worth the money to you. And there you have it, folks. 2 awesome whiteboard animation apps currently inside Canva. Give them a try and see which one you love more. Have fun creating.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.